gonna go back.
That's the Woody Woodpecker song. He's a-pecking it all day long. He pecks a few holes in a tree to see if a redwood's really red.
And it's nothing to him on the tiniest whim to peck a few holes in your head.
That's the Woody Woodpecker's tune. Makes the other woodpeckers swoon. Though it doesn't make sense to the dow and the dents, all the lady woodpeckers long for. That's the Woody Woodpecker song.
That's the Woody Woodpecker song. He's a-pecking it all day long.
He pecks a few holes in a tree to see if a redwood's really red. And it's nothing to him on the tiniest whim to peck holes in your head.
Man, I got this huge freaking woodpecker in my backyard right now that I've been watching for like a half hour. He's tearing apart this tree. I even brought my video camera out and I put a tripod up and it zoomed in on him. It's pretty cool. It's a big one. It's got a black body and a red head, and I looked it up in a book. He's a pileated woodpecker. Pretty big though. At first I thought it was like a turkey or something. Oh, he just took off. He's gone.